But this ain't for no cuff. If she catch me cheating, she catching a PJ, I'll say sorry. Still so much as a gram get hit with a drink, but he seem like Aubrey. Already got 2 chrome, niggas, since you can't double cross me. I FaceTime the money if you ain't been frightened, please don't call me. Falling asleep in a black badge, every night it start. This I'm trying to play mind games, don't even play that guitar. Look at me like a hero, pull strings like a guitar.
I will get the link to this.
Shut up, host, I breathe like she's trying to work my card. All she wears is regular, she grab me like a Harley. I'm trying to go on the Ellen, I don't want no more parties. Eyes on top of my sweater, she like it, she cold, I say she hardy. I fuck so good, she say she hate me, that was a bitch in the head. Got regular hoes, I see some models, can't name one bitch I ain't have. My riches, hoe, she a piggy, so hell nah, I ain't covering that. After I ain't like once or twice, get cool, I'm done with that. Swing up body like BK, throwing up shows, bad like school snacks.
Yo. The ball at Jordan Poole and Shaq. Alright, let me pull up the chat. Can't even see it right now. Oh, I heard someone say I make all my money off YouTube. There you go. I'll show you guys my revenue. I made $84 this month. And then lifetime earnings from YouTube, $1,900. There you go. Alright, let me pull up the chat. Where should I put the chat? Put it like here? Yeah, in my peripheral. Look at that. Bro makes $3 a video. Let's see how much I make per video. I'm curious. Probably, I might not even make $3 per video, bro. I'm gonna be honest. Let's check. Let's see. This one, monetization was on for this one. Let's see how much money I made on my last video. Ah, I made $6. I made $6. So that's actually pretty good. That can pay for half of a McDonald's 10-piece meal. That's pretty fire, actually. So that's good. All right. Charts here. Okay. Here's the see me got reversal on Friday. I did see that. And I was extremely mad. There was a great reversal opportunity. One of my students took it, and he did a very, very nice job. Good job, Quentin, on that. And yeah, I'm pretty upset about that, if I'm being honest. But that sucks. It is what it is. Is it hard to deal with taxes? Yep, but I mean, there's nothing you can really do about it. You know, it's like it's the cost benefit analysis, right? If I want to live in America and drive around Lamborghinis and live in a great country, fortunately, I gotta pay the price for that. So you just try and minimize them, but you still gotta pay them and everything. Chewing gum? Nah. Back in Miami? Yeah. That was a perfect reverse. Yeah, it was a great reversal. It was awesome. Yeah, I'm looking for. I'm really debating like going to Puerto Rico, so we'll see. be alone. Think about killing myself every day, but that's something I like to say in my songs. Dubai Max? I don't know. I've heard a lot of bad stuff about Dubai, actually. And one of my friends used to live there, and he says he would never live there, which is kind of worrying. So, yeah. Vietnam, the move? Nah, Venezuela's the move. That was crazy. Hey, Vietnam was good, bro. I moved to North Korea. Great. I only put my faith in God and pistols made in Austria. Then I'm going to get a new Pew Pew today, so I'm pretty excited for that. Alright, I love to see that. I love to see that. Alright, we had a fat ass drop. Was this market reopening? No. Oh yeah, this was just the massive dump that we had. Oh, this is very different. So USA reversed and NASDAQ didn't. That's pretty interesting, if I'm being honest. Whew, this mouse is different. This mouse is way different. What the fuck? It's like weird for me to hold. Okay. Holy crap. Dude, alright, this is what I hate about Miami. It's so sunny I can barely see my freaking screen, bro. It's unreal. I don't know how it gets this bad. Huge for value gap here. Oh my gosh. Probably gonna go and fill that. Another. Hold up. Let me change this one. I can't play any unreleased or else I'm gonna get strike down. What's 100,000 with 20 of them? Not in a millennium. BPR. Oh wow, that makes it even more fun. So we have this for value gap here, and then we have a BPR above. Light me, I swear I don't give a fuck. This is gonna be tough, very tough today. We're gonna try and navigate it the best we can, though. I'm thinking here. Here looks pretty solid. We have the tops here, top, bottom. And so basically this whole thing's a for value gap. So this is going to be a little bit different. Because normally I say I don't want to enter into for value gaps, but if the whole entire price action is a for value gap, then it's like you can't really do much about that in the first place, right? And another important thing I want to stress is that we have another we actually have a reason to continue up, right? If we only had this for value gap, that would be much more of a problem, because then our chances of just hitting this and then coming right back down are way more increased. But if we have something else to go target, might as well just go do this, right? And then obviously we're going to be like targeting this, so we would actually win our trade at that point if it does do what we want it to do, right? So that's why I'm not completely freaking out, because we do have a really, really good confluence up here with the BPR. But to the downside, it's kind of going to also be tough. It's just going to be really annoying. What? Screen? Oh, my screen's frozen? Why is my screen frozen? Oh, it's just completely frozen. All right. Hold up. How is that even possible? Restart? Oh, no. I'm going to have to go over everything again? All right, wait. Wait. Is it good now? All right, we're good now. Okay, sorry. All right. So restart. Rewind. This is the level I got to the upside on NASDAQ. Everyone take a look. We have some tops here. Got a top. We got some tops. We got some bottoms. All right. If you guys are listening, I said big ass for value gap here. But it's basically the whole entire price action, right? It's not like it's some dinky for value gap that we got to like worry about. No, this is a massive for value gap that we've already kind of reacted off of it already, which is good as well. But as I was saying, I'm not going to be as worried about this because we have a confluence to the upside too. So we have a reason to actually go up, right? So instead of like a normal wick out, it's actually probably more likely that we just will come up, hit everything we want to hit, and then come down, right? But at this point, our take profit's going to be here, so we're going to win the trade. So that's basically what I was explaining to the fucking void, apparently. So yeah, that's what we got. That's what we got here. And then I was just going to be looking for what the fuck to do to the downside today. Like, I don't even know. Oh, this looks really bad, actually. We're going to have to just kind of force something, if I'm being honest. There's not really anything I love. Yeesh. Unideal, to say the least. But that's probably the best we're going to get here. And for value gap here, so hopefully we can add some confluence of, hey, we're going to hit this and then come down, maybe, right? And then it doesn't look as stupid. I don't know. These are subject to change as we get more price action and everything. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at for now. Take profit would obviously be here. Off liquidity. So yeah, I don't love it, but sometimes in life you don't get an option. You just gotta do the best of what you got. Okay. Not bad, not bad here. Kind of the bottoms, kind of the tops here. Like, if I had to draw this level perfectly, it would look something like this, I guess. So technically something like that. It's a great wick out, though, if I'm being honest. Okay, and then we got probably just playing this. Can I move it up? Not good. This is the Favale gap, though. But it's at the end of the Favale gap, so hopefully it won't matter as much. Could still cause problems, though, so we got to be aware of that. And we got the whole, like, today might get really crazy, too, with the whole Venezuela stuff. So, dude, I'm feeding for a reversal. I will gladly... I would love some crazy move off rip. And even if I miss it, if it goes too fast, then I'll catch the reversal back. Either way will work for me. What just fell? Yeah. Again, pretty bad today, though. Not my most favorite setups in the whole entire world today, but we don't get a choice. So we'll just make the best of what we got here. Take profit will just be outfilled many level here. Wow, today will be fun. Today will be fun as long as I don't lose. But yeah. Why do you stream in YouTube? I'm streaming on YouTube just to get my account back and going. And YouTube's really accessible and free, so that's nice. Yeah, you can do TP at the end of the fair value gap as well. But at that point, I don't know. It'll obviously depend on when I enter the trade, where I put my take profit. I'll either move it closer or further away based off RR, obviously. New crib? No. This is my old crib. This is my original. Is there a chance the market would be slightly different than... I mean, I guess there's always a chance, but I don't see why it would. Nothing's really changed. Love Nas. Yeah, that'd be fire. Thank you, Kickers Band. Yep. Yeah, back in Miami. Good old Miami. It's beaming sun into my eyes. Just like the old times. Sun right in my freaking face, bro. It's unreal. Like literally, the sun could be anywhere, right into my eyes. The sun is right there. It's actually going away though, which is good. Nah, I would want to see a better retrace than just one down candle on that, to be honest. Is Derek still not there? Yeah, no, Derek's gone. Derek's out of here. So I'm gonna be by myself for like a month, and then Mr. SVJ is gonna move in with me. So it'll be fun. Yep. I'm Japanese. I'm grateful to you. Vito is my god. Hell no. Don't. Jesus is God. I am not. I'm not anything comparable to that. I'm taking a shit right now. Love it. With Prime. Dude, I should, bro. Prime needs to sponsor me. I spent so much money on it. You think price could just shit itself due to Venezuela? If anything, it would go up. Like, this whole thing is good for the U.S. First of all, I don't know if you guys know this, but Venezuela is literally celebrating right now because everyone hated their president. And now the U.S., it's almost like a win-win from what the reaction has been so far. I'm not trying to be political, but just based off what I've seen of the reactions of both countries, the USA, like, economically is going to benefit from this, from the oil, obviously, because now that they obviously have control of it. And Venezuela hated their president, and they just kind of, they didn't even try and fight back, and they're fucking celebrating in the streets right now. So Venezuela is happier from what I've seen, and USA is going to get better economically. So if anything, I would say it's going to go up rather than down, but yeah. That's just what I've seen, though. So I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong on that. Not sure though. How many vlog when? I'll probably do one this week. So it'll be cool. TP on your story long is base off and upper level. Yeah. We're Sasha President 1 hour. Yeah, I don't know. I've heard that like they didn't even try and fight back. Even the security. I don't know. That's crazy though. You sure about Kick anymore? I'm just doing it on YouTube because Kick is banned in some countries and YouTube's just more accessible. Everyone has YouTube. So I'm just doing it on here. Yeah. Dude, honestly, like, whether you love or hate Trump, that shit was pretty crazy. To pull that off, pretty impressive, regardless. Like, that's pretty insane. Pretty ballsy. I use 10 days, really know who. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know about all of it. I don't, like, that's not really something. I don't know. I don't like to worry about stuff I can't control. So, just let it play out. Because whether I fucking approve or disapprove, nothing changes. So, I just don't even worry about it, personally. But I will try and profit off of it if I can. So maybe I'm the bad guy for that, but if you can't beat it, don't hate the player, hate the game, right? So it is what it is. They killed the SE team, by the way? I don't even know what that means. The song name? Tired of running by autumn. How do you split screen the charts? You're right here. This button right here. And then you click the split screen. Yeah, I'm gonna look at the 15-minute. Oh, I guess I was supposed to look at it 1 minute ago. Alright, let's take a look. Let's take a look. For 15 minutes, let's make sure nothing too crazy is going on. Ooh, this is actually beneficial. Because in the 15, we do have this, which is a lot more manageable in my opinion. So we'll. Oh, no, we don't. I'm tripping. Never mind, I'm stupid. No, we don't have that. The 15-minute is just to here. Yeah, no. All right, ignore what I just said. To the downside, nothing worrisome. So NASDAQ is going to stay like this for the time being. And Whoever said BPR or for value gap? Oh, yes. We do have that, actually. All right, I was looking for VPR. Yes, we do have for value gap here, actually. Pretty unideal. So we're going to have to probably move that take profit up. Huh. This makes things very difficult, if I'm being honest. Because now do I want to do this? That seems pretty aggressive, though. But okay. This is gonna be really complicated. This is gonna get really complicated for all right, we're fine there. So let me look at the 5. It's not that bad on the 5. Oh, this is gonna be. This is bad. This is really bad. We have 2 for value gaps, and we had the level right in that area. So, okay, chill out. Okay, so basically, we have to leave it like this. There's not really much we can do. What I will say is if we see something like this, where we get a push and a retrace, we push past the level and we wick it out, and we wick out halfway this for value gap, and then get a second push, I would absolutely love taking it from like here to here. That would be really great. So hopefully we can see something like that. But honestly, shorts on US 30 look extremely complicated. Maybe even to the point where just avoid them. Because I don't know, things can get really crazy off that. So I'm gonna be extremely careful off the shorts on US 30. I'm gonna have to really be convinced to take it. So we'll see. Bitcoin's back in profit on Bitcoin. So that's fun. But yeah, so I guess this is what we're gonna have to work with today. This take profit on USD looks kind of close. Let me maybe extend it a little bit. Throw it off liquidity right there, right here. Yeah, just throw it off liquidity right there. Woo! All right, so today will be fun. Fun day to start off the year. But I guess we'll see how things look. What is your zodiac sign? I don't even know what that is. I'm pretty sure that's demonic technically, so I'm not into that. How much money do I put into a trade? I usually risk 10,000 or 7.5K. Would it be on US longs? I just redid it, so yeah. The fair value gap on US 30 long? What? Where? What fair value gap? There is no fair value gap. What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about, gang. I'm gonna be honest. Would you let Judy Hopps clap? Bro, dude, I'll tell you, one time I liked one of those Judy Hop reels because it was so ridiculously funny. And then Instagram just spammed me with the Judy Hopps fucking shit, bro. Oh my god. It was bad. It was pretty bad. That's definitely a little bit too far for me. It's for me to even joke about because that's just like, nasty. That's nasty. I'm 20. I am 20. I turned 20 like a month ago. So yeah. My birthday's already happened. How's my day? I mean, I'll tell you after we're done trading. We'll see. See if a good or bad day today. Yo, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe. Shameless plug. But I like seeing the counter. Dude, the counter's a great addition. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty fire, in my opinion at least. Yeah, we're gonna hit our prayer right now. Happy birthday. It's not my birthday. It's not my birthday. Alright, let's hit our prayer. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, that will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. God, first and foremost, I just want to say thank you for everything. Thank you for the life I get to live. Thank you for 2025. And here's to a great 2026. We're back in Miami. Very happy about that. Ready to really lock in. Really excited for it. And yeah, I got no excuses now. So today's the day, right? We're going to hopefully start off US. What am I saying, bro? We're going to hopefully start off 2026. Dude, there's too many numbers in my head. 2026 well here. And if you could just provide us with your strength, wisdom, and guidance to just see the markets with clarity today, make the right decision, whether that's a win or whether that's a loss. Because we're here to improve the skill. We're here to take the good probable trades, not to win, not to make money. That's not how it works. You gotta put the effort in and get good at the skill, and then the money will follow. So we're here to just get better at the skill of trading today, whether it's a win or a loss, and just help us perform to the best of our abilities, both myself and everyone here watching. How many people got watching? 320 people watching. That's amazing, bro. I really appreciate you guys. So yeah, these people putting the work in. You're seeing that. So if you just help them out too, right? And we'll get right to it for 2026. Very excited for today. So let's see what the daily verse of the day. Daily verse of the day. The daily verse of the day. Let's see. Okay. Wash yourselves, make yourselves clean, remove evil from your doings, from before my eyes, cease to do evil. Learn to do good, seek justice, correct opposition, defend the fatherless, plead for the widow. Yeah. Dude, I think that's a very important step, right? I think it's just the little things, right? Just removing one bad habit, just whether you're religious or not, right? Just to be successful as well, right? Just removing small bad habits, they really add up. They really do add up over time. So if you get to identify what is the one thing that's holding me back, am I playing video games too much? Am I going out too much? Are the freaking women messing with me too much? If you just find the main thing that's holding you back and then just slowly improve on that, that's going to make a big difference, bro. And I really mean that. It's the small things that add up. Again, there is no turning point. There's no turning point. It's small wins every day. That's what it was for me. A lot of people are waiting for this breakthrough. The breakthrough is realizing that there's no breakthrough, and that you have to just make slow progress every single day, right? So that's what I got to do. That's what you got to do too. And if you don't believe me, try it out. Try it out for like a week or two, and you'll see. All right, so this is what I got. Nothing has changed, and just want to say good luck. Good luck, guys. Yeah, US30 might close above. Again, if we close above, we need to see a massive retrace first. We need to see a massive retrace first. Extremely convincing retrace. And then another push back up if we close past this level. Same thing goes for NASDAQ here. NASDAQ, be aware of halfway this for value gap. If we see something like this, that's looking good. So, yeah, that's what we got for today. Take your screenshot right now. Take your screenshot. I have to reset up the whole entire OBS to record this shit, which is annoying. But, yeah. I'm in long. What? Ridiculous. All right. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. Good luck. I appreciate you all. Hopefully you learned something from this. Maybe I'll hop back on stream if I win. Explain my trade. NASDAQ's already being difficult. Same thing applies, though. We need to see a big retrace if we close past it. So I will see you guys, and have a good one. Appreciate you all.